Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am excited. I am excited. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am ready. I am ready. I am a good friend. I am a good friend. I am learning. I am learning. I am helpful. I am helpful. I am kind. I am kind. I am strong. I am strong. I am brave. I am brave. I am curious. I am curious. I am funny. I am funny. I am smart. I am smart. I am thankful. I am thankful. I am a student. I am a student. I am a good listener. I am a good listener. I am polite. I am polite. I am respectful. I am respectful. I am creative. I am creative. I am honest. I am honest. I am caring. I am caring. I am thoughtful. I am thoughtful. I am unique. I am unique. I am patient. I am patient. I am friendly. I am friendly. I am an artist. I am an artist. I am a reader. I am a reader. I am a singer. I am a singer. I am a dancer. I am a dancer. I am a builder. I am a builder. I am a thinker. I am a thinker. I am a dreamer. I am a dreamer. I am important. I am important. I am confident. I am confident. I am thankful. I am thankful. I am responsible. I am responsible. I am independent. I am independent. I am a leader. I am a leader. I am helpful. I am helpful. I am creative. I am creative. I am adventurous. I am adventurous. I am adventurous. I am adventurous. I am joyful. I am joyful. I am a team player. I am a team player. I am respectful. I am respectful.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and share.